Pizza!
Waikiki Beach Vacation. Located on the sun-drenched Hawaiian island of Oahu, Waikiki Beach is one of the most famous and well-known beaches in the entire world, with luxurious hotels and beach clubs set right on the beach. The famous Kalakaua Avenue, which runs parallel to the beach, offers you a shopper's paradise with fine restaurants and nightly entertainment. Waikiki Beach is also known for its gentle waves, which are ideal for beginner surfers. You can rent surboards and gear on the beach, even take lessons if you have never surfed before. Catamaran rides to and from Diamond Head are also offered by several different companies as well, with depart times varying. Other activities on your vacation include kayaking, swimming, and outrigger canoeing. Restaurants. There are several restaurants located right on Waikiki Beach, such as Duke's Canoe Club and the Surf Room. When the evening sets in, you can enjoy a romantic dinner while you watch the sun set over the beautiful and amazing Pacific Ocean. Waikiki Beach Hotels. As you travel along the beach from west to east, beginning in Diamond Head, you'll encounter several first-class hotels such as Hilton Hawaiian Village, Sheraton Waikiki, Outrigger Hawaii, the Royal Hawaiian Hotel, and several others. The Waikiki difference. While there are several other spots for your beach vacation, few manage to capture the beauty and tranquility that Waikiki offers. Hawaii has long been known for a tropical paradise, with Maui being an excellent example. Hawaii offers several beaches, with Waikiki being one of the best. If you've been looking for the ideal place for your beach vacation, you shouldn't hesitate to go to Waikiki. You can find discounts on hotel rooms at different times of the year, making it the perfect opportunity to check out everything Hawaii will provide you and your family with.